following video is proudly brought to you by the ORCA Alliance. In this video, we'll be doing the KYC and how to register for the whitelist. To begin, click on Register to Whitelist. Go through the privacy policy and make sure that you're satisfied to proceed. Now, check the box and then enter your email address. Then click the blue tab, Register to Whitelist. There's now an option to do the KYC instantly, which requires you to have a passport or an ID, or you can just register for now and finish the process later. You'll then proceed to this page. You need to read through these terms and conditions. After that, you can check the two boxes that you agreed with the terms and conditions of the sale. Proceed then to enter your personal details, starting with your name, followed by your surname, your nationality, your date of birth, and then put in your Ethereum address. Thereafter, specify the amount. Now, click the yellow tab that says Continue Registration. You'll be directed to this page where you'll need to take a quick recording and a few photos. Start with recording your face for a few seconds. Then move on to the next step where you'll need to take a photo of your passport. Be sure to hold it up nice and close to your camera in order to capture all the details that are necessary. Then click on the next step and take the next picture required for the front of your passport. Then simply click the next step and you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video. We hope that it's been helpful.